Most people don't delay buying real estate because of money.
I do agree on what she said. Especially in our field of architecture, the gap between idea and design is the goal, not the money. In choosing the right properties, what is your goal? Is it convenience, comfort, or security? Now, picture this. You're commuting after work pauwi sa family mo. Instead na naabutan mo sila sa dinner, nakakauwi ka ng tulog sila dahil malayo ang tinutuluyan mo sa work. You worry about the security ng bahay mo kasi you don't have anyone na pwedeng magbantay nito habang wala sila. And lastly, magpapahinga ka na lang, hirap ka pa pumesto kasi masikip sa unit. Those are the signs that you have to look now for a better option that gives you the goal of reaching your ideal quality of life to have convenience, comfort, and security like here in Philinvest Land Inc. Remember, delaying your decision is also delaying what your future self can achieve in terms of living the best quality of your life.